Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. Right, children. Now we are learning the chapter Our Natural and Cultural Heritage. All of you open your second chapter, Our Natural and Cultural Heritage. We have completed with our heritage part, our natural heritage, our cultural heritage, architecture, painting, dance, classical dance, and all this. We have completed even in our previous class literature and languages. Today we are going to continue with festivals, with the part festivals. See, festivals. India has many festivals, children. Muslims will celebrate their festivals, whereas Christians will celebrate their festivals, and Hindus will celebrate their festivals. Like we are living all together in India, so we all together we have so many festivals in India. See, India is a land of festivals. Yes, India is a land of festivals because in India many religious people are living, and all religious people have some particular festivals. They mark days of religious, agricultural, and national importance. See, these festivals, they will say about, some festivals they say about their religious, some festival we will celebrate on giving importance to our agriculture. In some festival we give importance to our nation and we will celebrate. See, some religious festivals celebrated in India are Holi, Diwali, Dasra, Durga Puja, Ganesh Chaturthi, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Guru Purab, Eid, Muharram, Mahavir Jayanti, Buddha Purnima, and Christmas. Some religious festivals that we celebrate are mostly Holi. Yes, we celebrate Holi with colors, right? And Diwali with crackers. We enjoy celebrating with crackers. And Dasra, on behalf of Durga Mata, we celebrate Dasra. And we do Durga Puja, Ganesh Chaturthi. We celebrate this for Ganesh. And Janmashtami for Lord Krishna. And Raksha Bandhan. For we brothers and sisters used to celebrate this Raksha Bandhan, right, in Guru Purnima. And Guru Purab, Eid, Muslims will celebrate this. Muharram, even this Muslims will celebrate. Mahavir Jayanti, Buddha Purnima, and Christmas, Christians will celebrate Christmas. So these all are our religious festivals. These all are the religious festival. Okay, and Basant Panchami, Baisakhi, Onam, and Pongal are some harvest festivals. We Telangana and Andhra people know Pongal is a popular festival here. We will after we do agriculture, after getting crops, we do Pongal festivals. So in this way, by remembering, by giving importance to our agriculture, we celebrate Basant Panchami, Baisakhi, Onam, and Pongal festivals. Okay, these are the harvest festivals. And Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are our national days. Even we celebrate some national festivals as our national days, like Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. So in India we have many festivals. We celebrate festivals giving importance to religious, agriculture, and national. We have some religious festivals like Diwali, Dasra, Holi, Christmas, Eid, Muharram, and all these. And we have agricultural festivals like Basant Panchami, Baisakhi, Onam and Pongal, and we have national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. In this way, India is a land of festivals. Okay children, in our next class, we learn about other cultural practices like dresses, cuisines, different types of cuisines, handicrafts and embroidery and all these we will continue in our next class. Okay children, thank you. Bye children.